Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the reset now. First, make sure you back up any app settings and sign out of accounts so you can avoid activation locks. Once done, confirm you have the remote and network name ready and note the TV model so you know which menu to use. Now go to Settings, choose System, then About, and select Factory Reset or Reset. This begins the process. Make sure the TV stays powered to prevent corruption and to let the system prepare for the wipe. You'll now execute the core steps. Pick full factory reset if you want a clean slate or a partial data clear to keep user accounts. Why this matters: full wipes remove conflicting app data that can cause issues later. Enter your PIN or confirm the on-screen prompts to begin. Once the process starts, let the progress bar run to completion. Do not unplug the power or interrupt updates. If you have Google TV, the wording may differ, but the flow is the same. Confirm, wait, and let the device restart itself. After reboot, you'll complete setup by connecting to Wi-Fi, signing into your Google account, and selectively restoring apps so you don't reintroduce bad data. Make sure to run system updates and check app permissions. This prevents compatibility problems. If the TV fails to boot or gets stuck in a loop, use recovery mode. Hold the appropriate remote buttons, select Wipe Cache first, then Factory Reset if needed. That troubleshooting tip saves time and avoids repeated resets. Be patient and follow on-screen instructions carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.